In this video, we will show you how to create ML experiments in Qlik Cloud. Enter a name for the experiment and select the space in which you want to create it. Optionally, add a description and tags. When done, click Create. Select a dataset to use in your experiment. You can choose from all supported datasets that are available in your private and shared spaces. Now you can configure the experiment. This involves selecting the target and the features that the model will use to predict the target. With the target set, you can select which of the other available columns to include in the model's training. All available algorithms are included by default, but you can exclude any you don't want to use. Once you've configured the experiment, you can start running the first version. When completed, the model performance score will be presented, and the top performing model will be selected. Below the table, a series of visualizations will present important information to help you understand the model and how to iterate further. By clicking the View Configuration button, you can see the experiment configuration. Now you can create a new version of the experiment or deploy this one. You can use the pop-up message to open the model, or you can access it from the catalog or the hub. The model opens in the ML Model Management Client, where you can perform all actions related to your deployed model. Click the Create Prediction button, then select the Apply Dataset button. You will be presented with a list of datasets from the catalog. Here, we select the Customer Cancellation Applied dataset. You can see that the dataset schemas match. Click the Name Dataset Prediction button and provide a name and a space to save the predictions. In the prediction options, you can choose to include additional files and the index column to use. When done, click the Save and Predict Now button. Once the predictions are created, you can open them. When you return to the hub, you will see the new files added to your space. Open the data files and, starting from here, you can create a new analytic app starting from this data. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.